Yo, what is up, guys? KosherTech here. So today, I told you guys this day is gonna come. The giveaway is like 4 days away. I can't wait. So in this video, basically, I am gonna do the benchmark of the giveaway rig. Also, guys, keep in mind that not only you're winning the giveaway rig, but also I got a bunch of Corsair peripherals here. So here I have the M65 gaming mouse. I have the Corsair keyboard, the Corsair Strafe keyboard, fully RGB. And of course, I have the Corsair mouse pad as well, full RGB. So you guys are basically winning a bunch of RGB goodies from Corsair. Now, this video is not sponsored by no Corsair, guys. I'm just a big fan of Corsair products, so that's why I figured not only you guys are gonna win the giveaway for the PC, but I want also the person who wins, I want the person to be fully decked out for the, with Corsair peripherals. Basically, that's the way I rock, so I want you guys basically to rock the same way. But yeah, guys, so this is the giveaway PC. I am going to throw a YouTube card up there to basically run you guys through the specs. I made a dedicated video of the giveaway PC, and as well in the bottom, you guys are going to see in the description below a bunch of information about what's in the PC and all the specs. But anyway, guys, I want to make this quick and fun, so let's get to the benchmark, guys. Alright, so first let's go over basically what I did with the CPU and how the overclocks came about. Now, I did manage to get, on this CPU, I did manage to get 3.8 gigs, 3.9 gigahertz. Now, I am going to be basically doing this test, but later on, I'm also going to, once the winner gets announced, I am going to, communicate and see how far I could push the CPU. But for now, I did get 3.9 gigs on it, as well as I did manage to do a pretty safe, I want to say, overclock with the memory of 2400. Now, how this DRM frequency works is this number is multiplied by 2 and you get the overclock result. So I did manage to get 2400. Now, I did stress the CPU. It is stable at 3.9. I do, however, want to see if I could push it to maybe 4 gigahertz. Now, quickly, let's just run a Cinebench test. All right, so the Cinebench test is opened up. Let's run it. Let's see what results I actually do get. I'm not even sure. All right, so our score came in. It's 1,255. Now, like I said, I am going to try to basically push the CPU a little further. However, I'm going to be a little content with these scores. Also, since this CPU is being water cooled, the maximum temperature I did get when I was overclocking, I want to say, is between 65 C. It did kind of go close to 70, but I think it went off at 69 Celsius. This is, fully benched, fully stress test the CPU. Also, the voltage I do have it is at 1.35 volts. All right, so next let's run some games. So right now I am running Wolfenstein 2, I believe it's the New Colossus or New World Order, whatever the name of it is. But let's go to options. Let me just show you guys the settings I'm running. So right here I have it at Ultra. Now this is a 1920 by 1080 monitor, 144 hertz. Now we have full screen, of course, V-Sync's off, motion blur is off, TSSA, blah. That's all the way up to max. All right, that's here. Shadows high. So you guys get the gist. It's running at really good settings. Let's hit continue. Let's check out how this bad boy runs. Now, to be honest with you, overall, the game is running silky smooth. There honestly isn't any issues. I mean, right now we're getting at 48. Oh my God, look at all these natties. Yes, get some. Now we could always turn down the settings. Oh. We could, but it's good. I mean, at 50 FPS, it's all right. I mean, I'll take that. The GPU is at a nice 52 degrees Celsius, so that's sweet. See, I want to go somewhere open. But whoa. Oh, all right. So I died. So just to show you guys, just to give you guys a quick heads up, I don't want to do the whole, give you guys a bunch of numbers and show you guys, etc. I just want to give you the guys actually you know, how you would experience the game for yourself and how you would experience the PC. So I don't want to bore you guys with a bunch of figures. Also, I went very conservative on the graphics card, the overclock just now. So I just basically put it up 100 on the offset and 100 on the offset for memory as well. So just to guys give you a quick gist, the default base clock is 1304 and memory is 1753. Basically what I did was on the GPU clock, I just put an offset of 100, so it's 1404. On the GPU, on the memory, it's 1803. Now keep in mind, I will probably try to max this graphics card out, but this is a giveaway computer, so I want this to be as stable as possible. Now the next game I'm running is Rainbow Six Siege. Now I'm here in the graphics settings. Now since this is a 2 gig card, unfortunately we do have to drop the memory. The memory here, it maxes out at 2 gigabytes. So if we're gonna turn it up, as you guys can see, automatically it tells you that it's already exceeding. So technically, all you have to do is basically lower the textures to medium. We could even try it at high. Let's see how it's gonna run at maximum at high. Everything else is set up to ultra. So let's even, I guess that's fine. Let's check out the game. All right, so we're running Rainbow Six Siege. Now you guys can see the FPS is rocking out nicely, even though, let's be an asshole and fuck some shit up. Even though we are maxing out on our memory usage, but overall, I am gonna die soon probably. The FPS is still, oh my God. The FPS is still running well. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna get this cocksucker. Woo! Look at that. I think I got a shot. But anyways, the FPS is running well. We're at 65, 69. The temps are within the 50 range of the CPU, and the GPU, of course, is running nice and warm. It's, well, nice and cool itself. All right, so next game is PUBG. Now, let's go quickly to the settings. Gameplay, oh, right there, graphics. All right, so let's see what we could do with the graphics settings quickly. So we're gonna want this full screen. Why is this full screen? Okay, 1920 by 1080. Overall settings, let's put it to ultra. VSync motion blur off, apply. Okay, let's see how this game handles. In ultra settings. All right, so just even running around, you know, it's one thing I noticed is in open world games, you do need more memory. So right now we're getting around 51 FPS. So what I might just do is I'll drop I'll drop the settings maybe to high. All you have to do is basically just switch the texture quality. Once you switch the texture quality, it's gonna knock off the less usage of the memory. All right, so the FPS went as low as 43 from the most intense scene as once you jump off the plane. All right, so even with PUBG, we're getting some nice FPS. I mean, no one is around here, but let me even try to shoot some shit. All right, so next game we got in popular demand, of course, is Fortnite. Now, this is everyone's favorite game except mine, but I am still gonna rock it for you guys, because I know whoever's gonna win this is definitely gonna most likely play Fortnite. All right, so of course, let's go get into the settings. Unlimited. We want full screen. Of course, 1920 by 1080. Let's go to Epic. Let's try it. Epic, VSync off, motion blur off, show FPS off. I don't need that. I already have FPS shown. Let's hit apply. Okay, so the same thing applies to Fortnite. Oh, wow. This is some cool stuff going on down there. I have no idea how they do that. All right, so right now we're getting at 65 FPS. Now, of course, once we're gonna jump off the plane, the FPS will drop. Open world games always take up more memory, guys. All right, let's jump. Let's check this out. Okay, lo and behold, the game crashed. Now, that's the problem with early access games. When you do overclock your graphics card, you do have some issues like this. So we got to restart it. All right, since Fortnite just crashed on me, it is an early access game, guys. With early access games, they're not optimized, so you just honestly, kind of don't want to overclock your graphics card because, the game will crash. So basically what I did is I put it on default settings so it's not overclocked, but let's see, hopefully it runs regardless stable. All right, so we're back in the game. Hopefully the game is going to run stable and it's not going to crash, but let's definitely check it out. Let's see what FPS we get. Let's hit that escape button. All right, so right now it's still cruising at 59. Now these are the same settings. These are in epic settings, the most highest that this game offers. All right. So I got owned, basically. But overall, Fortnite ran silky smooth as well. Well, guys, there you saw it. This rig is going to handle anything you throw at it. Now, I am going to announce the winner on this Friday. I believe it's going to be June 1st on my live stream, Kosher After Dark, for the winner. I'm going to announce the winner on my live stream, so definitely check the live stream out. The winner will be announced. Of course, I'm going to tweet him and everything. I'm going to email the winner, but I will do an announcement on the live stream, guys. But guys, that's that. You are going to win the rig, the entire PC over here, all the Corsair peripherals, as I mentioned before. Everything on the description below, guys. There is still time to enter. I'll throw all the specifications, how to enter on the giveaway, how basically to win the giveaway. Everything is going to be on the description below, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys want to see in the future, guys. As always, keep it, guys. As always, guys, keep it KosherTech. Deuces.